Mr. Man, where I look on my property?
I am bird hunting, and I have just shot a bird that fell over here.
So where I look on my property?
I am about to retrieve my bird.
Which part?
I just told you, it fell over here.
Mr. Man, you are trespass by my property. So you better leave before me call police by you.
I will get my bird first, and then I will leave.
Anything with up on my property belong to me.
But I just told you, I shot my bird and it fell over here.
Mr. Man, come off of my property and go on about your business.
Why are you being so difficult?
Wait, you're still there?
Well, since you are being so difficult, I will have you know I am a big-time trial lawyer. I am one of the best in the island. And if you don't let me retrieve my bird, you will be in big trouble. I will sue you for everything you have got.
All right, make we settle this, like how we country people settle things round here.
And what is that?
We settle disputes with the 3-kick rule.
What is a 3-kick rule?
Well, first me kick you 3 times, and then you kick me 3 times. We continue this back and forth until one of we give up. If me give up first, you can take the bird and go on about your business. But if you give up first, you have to leave my property without the bird.
All right, let's do this then.
Okay, you got me real good with your 3 kicks. Now it's my turn, you old coot. Nah, me give up. You can take the bird and go on.